In this video, I would like to introduce you a very nice problem of Canadian Mathematical Olympiad, edition 1969, question number 6. Here is the following setup. Find the sum of this sequence. We have 1 is multiplied by 1 factorial plus 2 is multiplied by 2 factorial plus 3 is multiplied by 3 factorial, and so on and so forth until you get the last term, which is n is multiplied by n factorial. Okay? In fact, this is very straightforward problem, isn't hard at all, just you need very small trick and get rid of it. Okay, I would recommend to give it a try to this problem prior getting to the solution. Also, don't forget to support us with your like and subscribe. Now I'm going to get started. So we have this following sequence. We have 1 is multiplied by 1 factorial plus number 2 is multiplied by 2 factorial plus number 3 is multiplied by 3 factorial plus number 4 is multiplied by 4 factorial, and all the way down to the n is multiplied by n factorial. Okay, the trick that I'm going to use here, I'm going to put number 1 as 2 minus 1. Okay, so 1 equals 2 minus 1 is multiplied by 1 factorial. Number 2 will be written as 3 minus 1 is multiplied by 2 factorial. Number 3, it will be written as 4 minus 1 is multiplied by 3 factorial. Number 4, it will be written as 5 minus 1 is multiplied by 4 factorial, and so on and so forth until you get the last term. The last term, it can be written on this form: n plus 1 minus 1 is multiplied by n factorial. Okay, now I'm going to distribute each term. So 2 is multiplied by 1 factorial is giving us 2 is multiplied by 1 factorial minus the second term, which is 1 factorial, plus 3 is multiplied by 2 factorial by distributing the second term minus 2 factorial. Okay, let's move on to the third term. The third term will be the same job here. 4 is multiplied by 3 factorial minus 3 factorial. Okay, plus the fifth term, which is 5 is multiplied by 4 factorial minus 4 factorial. Okay, and all the way down to the last term. The last term, n plus 1 is multiplied by n factorial minus n factorial. Okay, so now I'm going to simplify this expression. 2 is multiplied by 1 factorial is the same as 2 factorial. Okay, minus 1 factorial plus 3 is multiplied by 2 factorial is the same as 3 factorial. Okay, just this term is a 3 factorial. Okay, minus 2 factorial plus this one, 4 is multiplied by 3 factorial is the same as 4 factorial. Okay, minus 3 factorial plus 5 is multiplied by 5 is multiplied by 4 factorial is the same as 5 factorial minus 4 factorial, and so on and so forth until you get to this term. N plus 1 is multiplied by n factorial is the same as n plus 1 factorial minus n factorial. Now we have a lot of cancellation here. So this 2 factorial, it will be cancelled out with this minus 2 factorial. This 3 factorial will be cancelled with minus 3 factorial. This minus 4 factorial will be cancelled out with this 4 factorial, and all the way down, and so on and so forth until you get the last term. This minus n factorial will be cancelled out with the term before this one. It's going in the same pattern. Okay, so I will be left with this term, n plus 1 factorial, and this minus 1, n plus 1 factorial minus 1. Okay, so this is the value of this sum. Okay, so I have done with this problem. If you are interested in watching this one, don't forget to support us with your like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.